Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Let's start you off with our severe weather spotter classes going on today. Just one of those out in western parts of the viewing area. This is for Frontier County. The Maywood Fire Hall, the North Platte National Weather Service will be there starting at 7 o'clock this evening. So if you're in that area, definitely would recommend getting out there and checking out this class. You'll get some great information about severe weather, how to keep you and your family safe. And again, you're going to, it should be just very enjoyable, especially for anybody that's just a big weather enthusiast. Now, speaking of severe weather, we have the chance of showers and thunderstorms later on today and into this evening. There is the possibility that we get some dry lightning, which basically means lightning but no rain in western and northern parts of our viewing area, kind of on the backside of the main batch of precipitation. If that happens, again, fires would easily get out of control with strong winds and of course, just such dry conditions as of late. So there are red flag warnings from O'Neill southwestward through Broken Bow towards the Imperial area from 1 o'clock this afternoon until 10 o'clock this evening. So something to keep in mind later on today. Mild and breezy this morning. Out ahead of our cold front, it's going to be a warm and breezy day with highs in the 80s, some cooler 70s and 60s behind this front. Clouds will be on the increase later today, but I think the best chance of precipitation holds off until after 4 o'clock this afternoon. Now, unfortunately, I think Futurecast a little over or underdone when it comes to the chance of showers and thunderstorms. It's barely firing off anything by 7 o'clock here, but I do anticipate some showers and storms for a good chunk of the viewing area along and behind this front. Now, not everybody going to get it. Once you get to the north and west, your chances of precipitation are quite low, but around the Tri-Cities area anyway, we could get some decent showers and thunderstorms, and those will push eastward into the evening hours. Again, watching for that threat of some severe thunderstorms. Then on the back side of that, we still have a chance of some redeveloping showers and isolated weaker thunderstorms later into the night. By tomorrow morning, most of us start to clear out. We'll actually see some sunshine early in central Nebraska, a little more sunshine to the east. That's where it'll be milder. To the west, though, we'll see cooler conditions with more clouds and a chance of showers during the day, maybe some snow in northeast Colorado there. And as we get towards Thursday night, those will spread eastward, those chances of showers. The best chances south of Interstate 80. Mostly rain, but maybe a little bit of light snow mixed in as we get towards the nighttime hours, the late nighttime hours of Thursday night and early on Friday morning. Now back to our severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center still has a slight risk of severe weather from the Tri-Cities towards Elbe and Norfolk, east and south from there. Marginal risk in the light green area to the west and north of that, where the lower end severe weather threat is. And in fact, I don't expect a big threat today. It looks like mainly a wind and hail threat. The tornado threat is very low late this afternoon and this evening. Damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour are going to be possible at times. Large hail up around a quarter-inch hail, maybe slightly larger at times. I don't expect this to be a big severe weather threat, though, later on today. It's just that it's our first chance of severe weather that we've seen really so far this season. As for rainfall chances, again, forecast models are kind of struggling with this. I still anticipate the highest totals to be in the eastern parts of Nebraska, and then the chances or the lower totals to be west and northwest of the Tri-Cities here. Again, it's very tough to predict specific rainfall totals when it comes to thunderstorms because you get under a good storm and yeah, you could see some pretty good rains out there, and so it could be that deal where you get a lot of rain, your neighbor gets nothing, and vice versa. So again, just kind of the trend is that the higher totals will be off towards the east. Temperatures for today, most of us will be on the warm side. Now, as that front comes through, temperatures will cool back, so I expect some 70s to the northwest and to the far west there, but most of us should top out in the 80s later on this afternoon. Mid-80s around the Tri-Cities, mid and upper 80s down in Kansas, and mostly mid-80s as you get out towards the east. Your chances of storms in the east likely holding off until after supper time. So again, showers and storms, I'm going with a 50-50 chance in the Tri-Cities area, better chance to the east. Cooler tomorrow, but still not bad temperature-wise, 62 degrees, that chance of some showers, maybe a little bit of snow mixed late Thursday night into Friday morning. Friday, the coolest day of the next 7, highs around 54 degrees, but sunshine returns. The weekend looking pretty good, 60s and 70s on Saturday and Sunday, dry conditions. Next week, for Monday, still quite mild out there, showers and isolated thunderstorms, although that's very low in chance. It doesn't look like it's a great chance. We'll keep a small chance of showers going for your Tuesday as we do cool it back heading into the second day of the work week. So again, expecting some active weather later on today, but I don't think it's going to be a major event. But again, watch for some of those severe thunderstorm warnings to pop up maybe late this afternoon into this evening. Possibly a severe thunderstorm watch not out of the question here later on today. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Wednesday.